Good afternoon. This is Victor Jimenez with Sewerline Check Professionals. I'm here at 16787 Monte Hermosa Drive in Pacific Palisades, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line for Jordan Wadsworth. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping which is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drainline systems to the public sewer. The building drainline systems then are the portions or portions of the waste drainage piping which are underneath or interior to the structure. Today's video examination is not focused on the building drainline system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drainline system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drainline video examination can be set up through our office. Alright, so I've accessed today's main sewer line from a 3-inch maintenance access located on the right side of the building. I pushed through about 40 feet of building drain system before then zeroing out my camera, and once the line actually exited the structure, I zeroed out my camera and then pushed another 67 feet to this connection at public sewer. Now, there is a guest structure on the property that does connect into this main sewer line. It does not run through the building drain line system of the main house. So we did find that connection point, and I believe we did also find an access. We're going to be relocating after this video to that second access and hopefully make it out all the way out to this connection point. But for the time being, we're going to shoot this first video, which is the main sewer line, and then a small portion of the building drain line system for the main structure. So pulling away from the public sewer, we're in a 6-inch diameter PVC plastic pipe. So PVC plastics are a very common material for main sewer lines. They have a long life expectancy, and they're also intended to be impervious to root intrusions when installed properly. They also have a very smooth inner surface, which is very efficient at washing out debris. So overall, it's an excellent material for main sewer lines. Now, the line essentially comes out of the house about a foot or two to the to the left of the front door, and then runs down the small hill to connect up to that public sewer. But it's pretty much a straight shot once it connects there. So I mentioned we were in a PVC pipe. We're now converting from that PVC into an ABS plastic. Essentially, they are almost the same in terms of their characteristics, pretty much the same in terms of the characteristics, just a little bit of a different material, but it's essentially still a plastic pipe, and so it holds that same kind of condition, same characteristics as a PVC. So we changed from that 6-inch PVC pipe to the 4-inch ABS plastic. The ABS is typically a black color, the PVC is typically a white or a green. But again, pretty much the same material. So we're going to be keeping an eye out here. This connection point from that back structure is going to be coming upon us pretty shortly. It's going to be on the right-hand side of the screen. I had some water running when I pushed out, but I turned that off. So we have to be just a little bit sharper with our eyes here on that connection point. Alright, so essentially right there, right after that, 2-foot mark. So I went ahead and zeroed out this point. Basically, so that just to be clear, that opening in the pipe is the connection from the back house where we'll be relocating. This section right here, it's coming on us right there. So that's actually where the main sewer line cleanout is located. It's currently covered up by some stonework that's in front of the house. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you it's essentially about 2 feet to the left in a diagonal path from the front door, and it's located at a depth of 1 foot 8 inches. Wouldn't be a bad idea to have that exposed. Not entirely necessary with the pipe material that we're in, but still it's something that should be kind of looked at and taken into account. Now, there is one concern here. We're entering the building drain system. Again, this is not the focus of my examination, but I'll state that from the beginning. I'll state that the building drain system is essentially still this ABS plastic. So the material is pretty much the same throughout the whole system. There is one issue here with this plastic pipe. There appears to be something that has pierced the pipe. The plastic won't normally bend and break like that. You can kind of see the edge of it cracking. This is under the actual structure. It's located at a depth of about 1 foot 6 inches, and this is essentially in that front living room area. So that's something that's going to need to be replaced and repaired. So we're now running essentially horizontally across the property to connect up with this access point that we used today. And we're now coming out of it. This is a cleanup that we used. So it's just here, along the left side of the property. It's got this cap on it. Okay, so here you can see we're on the left side of the property, along this left wall. So we're going to go ahead and reset to this that back structure, so hopefully we can get in and shoot that next video.